Hi, welcome back to this hopefully a quick video with the RV Keys. Today we're going to show you an important maintenance item for those of you who have Whirlpool washers in your coach, that the filter in the washing machine needs to be periodically checked, particularly if you have pets like we do. We have cats. The fur, if you wash any of your items in your RV, eventually the fur is going to accumulate in the filter. And we've had our coach now more than 7 months, and we actually checked the dryer filter and found that from another tip user online that checked beyond the dryer lint filter, and we found a whole bunch of lint there. So I said, okay, we just gotta check the washing machine. But anyway, point is, looking down here, these are the tools. I saw another YouTuber actually did something similar. A towel, a plate. This is actually to attach the water coming out of the filter as you open it, and a little bowl to dump the water into, bail out, so to speak, as we do this. And really, to open the filter, you don't need a screwdriver, but in our case, we have a wooden panel in front of our machine that needs to be removed so we can access the plate better and the filter without any problems. So right now I'm just, I've already moved a couple of screws already out of this, so it only takes 2 screws now to get this out. So 1 screw there, and another one over here. And this will just pop back right back into place. Should be no problem with alignment. So there's that. Now this part just comes right out here. And I know my wife is thinking, she's already thinking, great, now I have someplace else I need to clean.
Actually, folks, I pre-typed in my text messages. As soon as he removes that, he's going to tell me I need to vacuum. I beat him to the punch.
So this is the panel here. The particular model of this one is, I can't see the darn thing, but we'll put it in the description for those who are curious. There's 2 buttons on either side. Just push the button in, this pops off. We'll get that out of our way. And now we're going to put the towel down here. You see right there? Now we're going to get our little bowl and a plate here, and hopefully be able to catch some of this water coming out of here, and I don't know how much. And there it goes. It's flowing out right now. So we'll just shut that off. Bail the water there. Same thing again. We're going to do this again. Okay, dumping the water here. Now I'm actually using a good paper plate, a Chinette. So hopefully that will be enough to hold the water.
So why would you use a paper plate with water? Why wouldn't you use a regular plate or something else?
Well, you can always do that. I'm just saying this particular case, I thought it best to use this plate to kind of catch the runoff. I'm not exactly sure how much runoff is remaining, but there's a bit more. There it goes, flowing out there nicely. This also gives you an idea of how much water is in this filter as we open it up. And well, it's a whole bunch coming out now, so that's the reason why we have this big towel here, is to catch a bunch of water here. So it just keeps coming and we keep bailing it out here. You see, we've accumulated quite a bit of water here. Hopefully, and I think that's about it. You see, we're already in a little bit of debris here. All right, and there is our filter. You see now, in our case, there is a bunch of hair here. So we're going to have to rinse this filter off. And you can see down here, as we go into here, you can see there's not a whole lot of dirt, but there is some, so it's worthy cleaning here. So now we're going to wipe this out. We're going to put it back together. Okay, now that we've cleaned it out, you can see the result now. We'll see right here. Let's show the result here. Come on down here. See, now we're all cleaned out and wiped out, and we're ready to reinstall the filter, which we're going to do right now. So here we go. I'm going to put this in here. Rotate it until it stops. Okay, that's stopped. Okay. Now we're going to just take our little water things out of the way and button up the moisture underneath. Make sure we have nothing flowing underneath or anything. Yeah. Thoroughly dry. Now we have our little cover right here. This cover goes back on. I usually start from this side. Has little grooves on the bottom that these parts go in. Got that part start first, pot in, and we are done with this part of the video. Of course, now we just have to put the cover back on. That should take a few moments. Just put it back in place here. Got my little screws here. But if I had a power screwdriver, this probably would go a little bit faster. And I'm sure this probably somewhat edited out, but anyway. And that goes in there. That side's in. We just had to put 2 more screws on this side. And this job is considered done. And frankly, I'm amazed there was only that much dirt, considering how long we've been using this coach. You know, that in all the washes we've done, there's only a trace amount of dirt in the filter. And with that, we just appreciate you watching these videos and liking, subscribing to our channel, as well as giving us a little comments and feedbacks whether you like this content, if you want to see anything specific that we can do. And just want you to always remember to open the doors to adventure and start all your journeys with us, the RV Keys. Thank you. Have a great day.